Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Welcome to today's video. So we're changing up the scenery again over here because I felt like where I filmed last time there wasn't enough light and I really needed like my main ring light. So I'm currently sitting in like a little corner in my living room. But hey, this lighting's pretty good. We got a cute little curtain behind us. Like, I think we can work with this background temporarily. Let me know what you think. But yeah, this is going to be my temporary setup at the moment just because it's easier for me. I can do kind of everything all in one. I haven't been super consistent when it comes to YouTube. I really took on more than what I thought I could in the last few months. I've had a lot going on. You guys know I'm renovating my home. I just moved. I had a few deaths in my family. Like, I have been really just kind of like all over the place, and I finally just took a step back from one of the things that I was working on the side. I really didn't want to take the step back, but I really needed to because my head has just been spinning. Since taking that step back, I feel so relieved. Like a giant weight has been lifted off my shoulder. Like, it was definitely something that I needed to do for myself, and it was an amazing opportunity. I'm so thankful that I got to do it, but it's time that I kind of take a step back and just focus on my normal things that are going on. Them being consistent on YouTube again because I was doing so well. I was looking back the other day and I was like, I used to upload a video like every maybe 1 to 2 a week at least, and I have not been consistent in that way whatsoever over here. So we are making that a priority right now. I'm gonna take an old school YouTube today and I want to do a what's in my work bag. I got this Lululemon puffer bag for Christmas. I was originally using the Marc Jacobs tote bag, which I did love, but it just didn't feel like me anymore, and I just was not into it. Like, I just really kind of hated that bag, and there was just something about it that I was just not vibing with. So for Christmas, I put this on my list and my boyfriend got it for me, so I figured we could do a what's in my work bag because, you guys, this bag, I literally have fit so much stuff in here, it's kind of concerning. If you want to kick it old school YouTube with me, then go ahead and give this video a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and also, I have a new YouTube channel, by the way. Starting, if you're looking to become a content creator or like a UGC creator, I really want to share all of the lessons that I've learned, all of my tips that I've learned over the last few years to being a content creator. So I'm gonna put that in the description below. So if you guys are interested in subscribing and following over there and starting a new journey, then go ahead and subscribe to that YouTube channel and this YouTube channel, and let's get into this video. Months ago, I did a what's in my work bag, or clean out my work bag with me. I forget exactly what the video was, but my Marc Jacobs bag was a mess. I had lip products in there from years ago. So this one, I am really taking a lot of pride in keeping it more organized. We're gonna see if that's true today, but let's go ahead and get started. So these, I actually just put in here yesterday because they just came in the mail. These are the Colgate Wisp. These are disposable toothbrushes, and you guys, I cannot be without these. These are a non-negotiable. They're so random, but they are so good, especially if you're at work or you're on the go or you're traveling. These literally, if you get food stuck in your teeth or you just kind of feel like your mouth is tasting weird, or just you know what I'm trying to say. Take one of these out, brush your teeth really quick. You don't have to even use toothpaste, nothing. These are disposable. They have a little minty thing in the middle of them. I love these, and I genuinely feel like they do a great job at cleaning my teeth. So these, non-negotiable, and I have them with me all the time. Sticking with fresh breath, we have some extra gum. I usually buy this one. This is in the scent Polar Ice, or the green one, the spearmint one. I actually do prefer the spearmint one, but this one was the only one they had. But I always have something to keep my breath fresh because nobody wants to be sitting next to somebody with smelly breath. That is just the hard truth. I'm sorry. Speaking of smelling good, of course, it would not be a me video or a me purse if there wasn't some type of perfume in here. This perfume is from the brand Mango. I actually got this when I was in Spain last year. This is in the scent La Fantasy, whatever. This smells identical to Baccarat Rouge, but the only thing with it, it doesn't last a long time. So that's why it's in my work bag, because in case I need to freshen up, just kind of make myself smell a little bit better. This is what I'm going to be using. A perfume that's going to linger for hours. You're going to get a million compliments on it. It'll linger for it'll do what it needs to do, but it's not going to do 8 hours. So that's why it's in my work bag. I love the way it smells. Just wish it lasts a little bit longer. This bag, I probably should get a new one because it's literally exploding. So this is my work makeup bag, and in here is mainly just lip products, you guys. Let me just give you an idea. These are a bunch of lip products. I'm not gonna go through every product, but we have the ColourPop Fresh Kiss Glossy Lip Balm. We have another ColourPop So Juicy Plumping gloss. Then we have the new e.l.f. What are these called? I don't even know. Glow Reviver Melting Lip Balm. We have that. We have another ColourPop one. Then we have my all-time favorite. This is the Naturium Fighter Glow Lip Balm in the shade. What shade is this? Oh, Cosmic. I absolutely love these, and they come with a frigging applicator, which honestly just takes these to like a new level. So I absolutely love this. This is the one that I'm currently obsessing with and using. And then I just have like powder, a powder puff. I have this. If you guys have been following me for a while, then you know that I bought this keychain probably like 3 years ago, right? Not too long after my dad died, and my dad's birthday is 2/22, and this was like an angel number thing. So I have this in my work bag because I'm mainly at work most of the time. So I just like having this with me. I just feel like a sense of like calm. So yeah, this is just like my work makeup bag. Like I said, I definitely need to figure this out because this bag, I don't even think I can zipper it. That's why it's like wide open. Let's see. Can she zipper it? Can she do it? Ooh, can she do it? Can she do it? Can she do it? Ooh, ooh, ooh. All right. Wow, we got her zippered. I can't say that everything looks like it fits in there perfectly, but this will do for now. And we have a hand cream. I actually didn't even know this was in here. This is the Prequel hand wrap, and I actually do genuinely love this hand cream. I think it's amazing. It's very lightweight and doesn't leave your hands feeling like greasy, and it's super affordable. I think it's like $12, and you get 3.4 fluid ounces. Honestly, this lasts me such a long time. Like, I absolutely love this hand cream, and like I said, I didn't know that it was actually in here. So, of course, I cannot go to work without my AirPods. Literally, I have the AirPod Pro 2s, I believe. I cannot be without these. I have these every single day I go to work. I even like take them with me, like if I'm going shopping somewhere, like having AirPods with me at all times. Like, you never know where you're gonna get a phone call and you're gonna really need to like sit there and talk on the phone. So having your AirPods with you at all times is crucial. And we have my iPad mini. You guys, everybody at work makes fun of me because I always have my iPad mini. You can guarantee that on my lunch break, I will be sitting my ass down in the break room with my frigging AirPods, with Grey's Anatomy, with Law & Order SVU, with Seinfeld, with The Office, with whatever I'm feeling. Because you guys, sometimes all you get is your hour break at work and you don't have time to decompress. So with that being said, this iPad is literally my lifesaver. If I am having a long day or I just kind of need like a moment, this, you guys, comes in so clutch. This literally fits in here perfectly. Like, this bag was made for me. For somebody like me that has an iPad mini, this bag was made for. I truthfully don't think you'd be able to fit any other size iPad in here. So if you have an iPad mini and you were thinking about getting a bag like this, yeah, this one holds your iPad. Now we have my little like toiletry bag. I absolutely love this bag. I didn't think that I'd be able to fit as much like stuff in here as I can, but this bag, you guys, you can fit a lot of stuff in here, and actually there's some stuff that needs to go in here. So this one I'll actually go through and show you guys. So I have a little spray deodorant from Dove, just in case, you know, like you get a little sweaty, you get a little stinky. You can always freshen up. You guys know me, I love being fresh and clean. I have a Makeup by Mario lip gloss in here, which actually goes in the other bag, but that's neither here nor there. I have another hand cream. This is from EOS, and I've actually been obsessing over this. This is in the scent Fresh and Cozy, and it smells incredible, you guys. Like, every time I put this on, I literally smell like fresh. Like, it just is amazing. I absolutely love it. Then we have a Touchland hand sanitizer, and honestly, this is probably expired because I refuse to buy these because they're $10. This is in the scent bubblegum, I think, or it's some type of like bubbly bubblegum flavor. Yeah, I absolutely refuse to spend $10 on a hand sanitizer. I think that's crazy. This one, where is it? Oh, right here. This is the Honest hand sanitizer. I got mine at Target for $3, and this is 2 ounces, and this is 1 ounce. Or I think this may be like $5. I don't know, but still, I would rather buy this than buy the Touchland because this is just so crazy. It's $10 for a hand sanitizer. I just think that that's like insane. Anyways, oh my God, look, we have a, wow, this has a bunch of like dog hair on it. We have a wisp that must have fell out of my last bag. I'm actually gonna throw this out because there's so much dog hair on there. But yeah, and then we just have a bunch of tampons, and look at the inside of this bag with like the pattern, you guys. So freaking cute. It's actually able to fit everything back in here. We got the Colgate Wisp, we have my hand cream, we have the hand sanitizer, we have my gum. Everything fits in here, and just look. This bag, you guys, it may look small, but you can fit so much stuff in here. I freaking love that. So you guys, inside this bag, so inside of here you have 2 compartments, and you can put like your phone, whatever, and then you have another like zippered compartment back here, which of course would come in handy. And then my favorite pocket is actually this one. There's nothing in here right now, but I keep my portable charger in here because sometimes like my phone dies at work and I need to like recharge it. But this pocket, you guys, you can fit so much stuff in here. It's actually like crazy. It's pretty deep. So in my personal opinion, this bag is 10 times better than the Marc Jacobs mini tote that I had. I think this bag retails for like $99, so yes, it is on like the pricier side, but in my personal opinion, I think it's worth it because you have like the handles right here, and then you have a strap which you can also remove if you need to. So you could wear it like a crossbody, you could just hold it like this, which is mainly how I hold it most of the time. Many different ways that you can wear this bag, and I just think that it's very worth it, and I just think it's so cute and just literally, like I said, you can fit so much stuff in here. This is what it looks like. It's very organized. Like I said, I have my 2 bags. I have my hand cream, my perfume, my iPad mini, and that's pretty much all I need. Like, what else could you possibly need? Like, when you go to work. I will 100% link this bag down below for you guys so you guys can get the exact one if you were interested in getting a bag like this, or you wanted like a tote bag, or you just needed something. This bag, I seriously cannot say enough good things about it. All right, you guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this little like quick video. I wanted to just come on here and make a quick video, kind of like get back into the routine of filming YouTube videos. Let me know in the comments what you guys want to see from me long form wise, because you guys know if you follow me on Instagram or TikTok, or even if you pay attention to my YouTube shorts, I am always uploading short form content. But let me know what you guys want to see from me long form. If you guys want like an updated house video, like stuff like that, let me know in the comments. As always, thank you guys so much for watching. Please do not forget to go ahead and give this video a big thumbs up, and to subscribe to my other channel called Digital Danielle. Like, let me know what you guys think of that name as well. Like, I feel like it's cool. I don't necessarily love it. The one that I wanted was already taken. So let me know in the comments if you like that. Yeah, so that's all I have for you guys in today's video, and I will hopefully catch you guys in my next video. Bye.